This train is for Lucelle, Q and B. The next
Guys, I've arrived at just the perfect weather here to Qatar. It's insane. The weather is awesome. I love it actually. It's very cool right now. It's not hot. It's great. Well, good thing is they have pedestrian crossings here, so that's good. Guys, I cannot believe it. The weather is just perfect for me. Guys, I can't believe the weather is so amazing. It's about 15 to 20 degrees Celsius right now. It's super cool, super awesome. That would be about 57, 60 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm loving it. And tomorrow's gonna be the same thing. This is where all the skyscrapers are and the huge buildings. चलो थोड़ा very quiet area, guys, and it's very close to downtown, and I'm blown away actually. Like, it just stopped raining, but the weather is actually amazing. My favorite weather is when it's raining and when it's cool outside. So I came here at a perfect time, and I'm just hunting down some old school machines, and a lot of interesting things in this country. It's pretty clean for the most part, really organized, really nice. A lot of nice houses. Yeah, interesting things. And yeah, what makes me happy is that I've seen a lot of older cars here, so that's really cool. And I just haven't seen many classics yet, but I know they are out here. I just need to hunt them down, find them. Watch for Habibis. Watch for them. I see some cool, amazing machines about to show you. Look at this thing. Pontiac. And we have more legends, guys, right here. Oh yeah, this is definitely a car guy. It's amazing. Man, this thing is badass. Jaguar right there. Amazing machines. Yeah, Qatar has some amazing hidden gems for sure. Just exploring Qatar any time of the day. Very interesting, but I found some BMW E46s here as well. It's actually quite a few of them. I'm surprised. One, two, third one over there. Someone must be an enthusiast for sure. Yeah, look at that. This one as well. Yeah, this one is 330 Ci. And this is 318. Cool to see these here. So those BMWs are literally like right there, and then that's right there is downtown Doha. It's a big boat. Crazy big boat. I don't know, I mean, this is really peaceful. You know, obviously if there's a main street like a highway, it's a little noisy, but over here it's actually crazy peaceful. I like it. Look at these abandoned machines. Big body Vlade, I found something for you. It's kind of unusual, but I'm gonna go check it out right now. Wow, Chukcha.
This train is for Incheira, Venice, station is Education City. Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings unattended.
هذا القطار متجه